बॉलिंग करने के लिए आएंगे खुर्रम। लेफ्ट हैंडर को बॉलिंग करना इनको हमेशा से पसंद रहा है। और शानदार ये बेहतरीन टाइमिंग थी। साहबजादा फरहान ने अपनी फॉर्म का सबूत पेश किया। इनके रन्स अब 419 हो गए हैं। मजीद रन्स फील्डर्स इसके पीछे हैं, लेकिन बहुत पीछे रह जाएंगे। कम से कम स्कोर है। ये बाहर गिरी थी लेग स्टंप के। और पुल शॉट 4 रन्स। इस बार गेंद पटकने की कोशिश की शहजाद ने और हवा में खेल गए और बमुश्किल पार किया मिड ऑफ को। दायरे में खासा आगे खड़े हुए थे आसिफ अली। और शॉट बेहतरीन कवर ड्राइव। मां सदाकत जो ज्यादातर साहबजादा के साए में रहे हैं, आज खुलकर खेलते दिखाई दे रहे हैं। ये बाहर इंपैक्ट था नहीं, अंपायर ने हाँ में हाँ मिला दी खुर्रम के और मां सदाकत आउट हुए।
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है। यहाँ पे लेग स्टंप नजर आ रही थी, हो सकता है डाउन भी जाने का माइनर सा चांस है यहाँ पर।
शॉट बैकफुट पंच और 4 रन पाएंगे तो इनकी विकेट जो है वो सबसे अनमोल है इस वक्त। दूसरे रन के लिए आना चाहते हैं। साहबजादा फरहान ने पहली बार हवा में मारने की कोशिश की।
One more year. Edged. No slip in place. How many times we have seen in this inning only. He's picked that one beautifully and in the gap too. Israrullah starting off in style.
Smashes that one over cover. Boundary. Nicely pulled away, straight to the fielder. First one for the bowler and the second one for Faisalabad.
But again, the slowness in the pitch, as you said, couldn't get the timing. Probably would have wanted to play it over the head of the fielder. Normally he does that.
Driven square of the wicket, pass point for a boundary. Oh, has he got it? Has he got his fingers underneath? I'm pretty sure Rashid Riaz and Asif Yaqub are going to have a look at each other, which seems like they're pretty confident that Momin has taken that catch.
Maybe let's have a look at that one more time. Landing. Oh, just never know. Touch and go. Might go in the favor of the bowler. You never know. Yeah, he started walking back. Maybe he's got the signal. As I said, it's mighty, mighty close.
जी हाँ, मोमिन कमर ने बहुत ही शानदार बॉलिंग की है और यहाँ वाइड हो जाएगा और ये बड़े कीमती 5 रन्स और ये दुखेंगे फैसलाबाद के लिए।
ना खेल सकते हूँ और ये खासी खराब गेंद थी, कोई मुश्किल पेश नहीं आई। इसरारुल्लाह ने इसे चलता कर दिया लॉन्ग लेग बाउंड्री के बाहर 4 रन के लिए।
ये दोनों पेशावर के बहुत ही तजर्बाकार प्लेयर्स हैं और एक अच्छा शॉट टाइम किया बिहाइंड पॉइंट, इसको गैप के अंदर कोई मौका नहीं किसी फील्डर के लिए। 4 रन। ये देखिए, अभी मेरे जहन में ये बात चल ही रही थी कि इनको स्लिप लेनी चाहिए, यहाँ पे मिड ऑन ऊपर होना चाहिए इन दोनों के लिए।
On the other side it is Hussain Talat. Boundary, a welcome boundary here, taking them closer. Down the wicket to the player, should be out. Mistake, wasn't required, mistake.
But the pressure was building up on Israr. 21 deliveries faced by Iftikhar and only 8 runs came down the ground just a little bit over there. And an easy catch at the end. Pressure situation for Rais, but took a good catch. Israrullah goes back for 30, 96 for 4.
Picked up to the hands, Gonski. That's exactly what happens.
Just a fair delivery by Shahzad Gul. Well, this is yet another important wicket for Faisalabad. They're going very strong, building up the pressure.
That will be a boundary. Much needed one for a Peshawar region. Oh no, that's quite simple. Easily done. That's a massive wicket. Ahmed Safi Abdullah cannot believe it. Cannot. That's a big one.
And Iftikhar will have to go. And there's a twist in the tail maybe. Now it's the bowlers. Have a look at this. Trying to play it on the onside, a top edge. And easy as you like for Safi. New batter, the wicketkeeper Zulkifl of Iftikhar. And this, will this clear or is this a chance? This clears the fielder. This was a pressure shot. And it has come off. 6 runs to Peshawar, takes them 6 closer to the target. The batter takes a chance and connects well. It's a good stroke, wasn't a bad ball. Just a great shot under pressure.
First 6 of the inning, that one was. Oh, very close. Yes, given. Big one. What a comeback. Ahmed Safi Abdullah, and the celebrations have begun. He cannot believe it. Amir Razmat, after hitting the 6th, very next delivery is out LBW.
The front on angle will tell you the story. The ball coming in with the arm, and it was not a ball to be played off the back foot. Certainly not. The boy is not that inexperienced to give you a half tracker after you've just stepped down to him. He's an experienced bowler. And Amir proving that it's immature thinking.
What a game of cricket we're having. Oh, wow, what a start. That's 6. Pressure, what pressure. That's a massive one. What a start to his inning.
First ball and dismisses that. Just have a look at this. The intent as clear as water. Once again, Khurram Shahzad runs in, and this is close. This is close. If it's not the edge, there is no other way. But leg buys as well. Wow. We shall wait and see what exactly happened there. This is big. And this is game over. Amir Khan hits a monster to finish the game. 6 it is, and happy dugout, the yellow one. And the purple one, Faisalabad, not so happy. And they will go out, see that decision, and they'll definitely comment on it. As Peshawar will enjoy another walk to the semi-final stage. And Khurram Shahzad and his teammates dejected after being so close and yet so far.